Hi there, Natalie here from Paper and Fondant. This video will show you how to edit and personalize your Canva template. Please note that Canva updates may change the location and appearance of buttons, but the functionality remains the same. Start by personalizing the generic title to a name that's relevant to your event. You'll notice there's an image with a reminder of how to access the step-by-step guide for your template. Watch the video or access the written guide under the notes section. You may delete this image once you're done reading it. Some of our templates contain multiple color options for the design, such as this one. When you have selected your design of choice, simply delete the other options so that you can personalize your template. To edit the text, simply hover over the text, double-click on the text, and you can edit your text accordingly. It may be that sometimes you accidentally move your text. You can reposition it either manually or by clicking the Position tab up on top and using the Align to Page buttons to align it. We do not recommend changing the position or the font style of your text. You can, however, change the color of your text by clicking on this button up above and selecting your color of choice. To add your photo, simply go to Upload File, click on Upload File, and select your photo from your folder. And drag and drop it over the photo frame. To make any adjustments to the size and position of the photo, you can double click over it and simply drag it or use the corner points to resize it and position it to your liking. Once you're complete, you can hit done and your photo is in place. Alternately, you can also use the photo frame for videos. Upload your video. With your video uploaded, you can drag it over the photo frame. And again, you can adjust the placement and the size by double clicking on the photo and dragging it to your liking. Please note, some of our video templates are timed for 20 seconds. Make sure to select a video that is a minimal 20 seconds long, as the timing of your video will affect the design timing of the template. Make any adjustments to the color of your photo by clicking on your photo and going to the Edit button up above. Here you can make basic adjustments to the color, temperature, and brightness of your image. Most of our video templates have music already uploaded to them. If you would like to change the music to your own audio file, you can do so by clicking on the thumbnail view below to see the template's timeline. The purple line below is the audio file. To change the audio file, you can simply go to Uploads, Audio, upload your file, and drag and drop the file directly onto the purple line to replace it. You can make any adjustments to the audio file up above, such as adjusting the volume, the fade, whether you want it to fade in or out of the file. And next, you can also test the way that your audio sounds by clicking the play button beside the timeline.
Once you're done editing, you can check your video by clicking on the play button on the upper right-hand corner. To download, you can click on the share button, go to download as an MP4 video if you'd like to share as a video, If you'd like to share as an image, you can download as a PNG or a JPEG and simply click Download. Alternately, you can share as a public view link and copy and paste the link in an email or a text message. Please note that viewers may be required to create a free Canva account in order to do so. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact us by either sending a screen grab with your questions to our email page or simply sharing this design under Share Design and adding our email here. We'll be more than happy to help you troubleshoot any issues. Thank you and enjoy.